Identify the terms, variables, coefficients, and constants in the expression below. 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. So let's make sure that we first understand what each of these vocabulary words means. A term is when you have a coefficient or a variable or just one of the two that are multiplied together, that are kind of grouped together, and terms are separated in an expression by addition and subtraction signs. So in what we have here, this would be a term, 3x squared is a term, negative 5x is a term, and 4 is a term as well. Then we have variables. Variables are letters that represent a certain value. So when you have x, that can be plugged in for a number. In other expressions, you might have any other kind of a variable, y, z, q, r, t, any letter that represents a number value. A coefficient is a number that is attached to a letter variable. So in this example over here, 3 is a coefficient and 5 is a coefficient. 4 is not a coefficient because it is not attached to a variable. A coefficient is always attached to a variable. And then last but not least, we have a constant, which is just a number on its own. In this case, 4 is our constant. Let's try one more example. We'll identify our terms first. In this case over here, our expression is negative 12y cubed plus 4xy minus 17. Our terms are negative 12y cubed, 4xy, and negative 17. Our variables in this expression are y, x, and we have y comes up again over here. So x and y are the variables in this expression. Our coefficients are the numbers that are attached to a variable. We have negative 12 is the coefficient of y, and 4 is the coefficient of x and y. And negative 17 is not a coefficient, again, because it's not attached to a variable. And then finally, we have one constant in here, and that is negative 17.